So what you can also do is you can go ahead and export out your Corel Draw file as an icon. So to do that, you need to go around onto the file menu and then you can go around onto export. So once you do that, you can simply go ahead and choose a particular place where you want to save your icon, and then from the drop down option right here on save as type, you need to go ahead and click on ICO. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and type in, let's say for example, any name that you like, and then click on export right there. Then you can see the image size option right here. So let's just go around on to 64 and 64 right here, just like this, and then press OK. So once you do that, you actually see the output right here, because the icon size will be much more less than the design right here. And then you can also go ahead and change around, let's say for example, different parameters as it allows. But I'm just going to go around, keep it as it is, and you can also go ahead and choose different color palettes as you like as well, just like this. You can go for optimize or the system right here, or standard VGA and so forth right here, and you'll be able to see the output right there. Let's just go around because it looks good right here, and then save this out. And then once you actually go ahead and do that, you can actually see the icon file right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is how you can go ahead and export out an icon file using Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.